Moving into or out of military housing can feel like navigating a complex maze, and one of the most important stops along the way is the housing inspection. It is a key step that ensures your home meets certain standards, protecting both you and the housing office. Military housing inspections are a routine process designed to maintain safety, ensure proper upkeep of properties, and document the condition of a home before, during, and after occupancy. They primarily check for cleanliness, damages beyond normal wear and tear, and compliance with local housing rules. The primary reason for these inspections is to uphold quality living conditions across all military housing units. This protects service members and their families by ensuring homes are safe and well maintained, while also protecting government or privatized housing assets from excessive damage. It also helps in fairly assessing charges for damages that go beyond what is considered typical use. The process usually begins with an initial move, an inspection where you document the home's condition upon arrival, noting any existing issues. During your occupancy, routine inspections might occur quarterly or annually to ensure ongoing compliance and safety, giving you a chance to address minor concerns. Finally, a crucial move-out inspection takes place to assess the home's condition against the move-in report and identify any necessary repairs or cleaning before you depart. Remember to familiarize yourself with your specific housing office's inspection checklist and criteria well in advance, as these can vary slightly by installation and housing provider. Many installations offer a pre-inspection walkthrough with housing staff to identify potential issues, allowing you time to correct them without incurring charges. This proactive approach is a fantastic way to ensure a smooth transition. Understanding these inspections helps you maintain your home proactively, saving you time and potential costs when it is time to move. By staying informed and prepared, you can ensure a positive and seamless housing experience, allowing you to focus on your mission and family with confidence.